Good afternoon!
Oh, afternoon!
So another beautiful day here in Oslob, and
we are going to 3 waterfalls today, guys.
Waterfall hopping. We're going to
Tumalog Falls,
Calasa Falls,
Binalayan Falls.
So first we have to drop off our laundry, get some food, and then have a nice drive through the mountains. Ready? Let's go!
Made it to our first falls, Tumalog.
So we just arrived at the parking lot, and I guess we walk from here. I wish we could drive because it's a perfectly paved road, but it says no vehicles except OTSA motorcycles.
Then you have to pay for them.
Yeah. Let's go.
Definitely paying one of those guys to take me up.
Left it. She left it. Oh my god. What do I do? I gotta wait for the next bike. Love it.
60 only.
So, Tumalog down. Now we're off to Calasa, I think.
Calasa, yeah.
Instead of driving back to the main road and going back up, we're just going to drive through the mountains.
As you can tell, we didn't stay here very long.
Because we got a lot more to see. It's already 2 o'clock. So,
second one, let's go! We've made it to spot number 2.
We're the only ones here. We actually almost missed it because we came from the opposite direction. It's nothing like getting off the tourist track and driving through the random Filipino mountains.
Yeah, everybody's face, like they all live in here, and everyone's face when they saw us was like, what the
hell are you guys doing here, kind of thing. But that was great. Definitely requires just a little bit of experience of back roads or mountain roads, but definitely worth it for sure.
My bum is numb.
My bum is also numb and sweaty. We're here. We're the only ones at somewhat of a parking spot, and now we have to hike down this sketchy looking trail. So, let's go.
Which way?
We were wondering if it was the same way, but I think that path seems to disappear, so I think we're on the right path, hopefully.
I didn't find this place by searching things to do in Oslob. I just typed in falls into Google Maps and this was one of them that came up. So it's obviously not a tourist attraction.
Yeah, or else there'd be a parking spot with shuttle vans and people getting out with helmets and selfie sticks, but I like being the only one.
Me too.
Yeah, it's fun.
Because it would have came up in things to do in Oslo if I did search.
Yeah. No social media effect for this one.
Yeah.
But there's signs, so it obviously exists somewhere. So, a little bit more hiking, I guess. Kind of sucks that it's all downhill, because that means we have to hike uphill on the way back.
Yay!
Yay! Megan's favorite. Well, I guess this is it. That's it. Pretty cool. We got our own little pool swimming area to ourselves. I'm gonna jump right in.
Alrighty, so we are off to falls number 3.
Hello.
800 meters from here. Just walk, I think it's 10 to 12 minutes walk.
Alright. Binalayan, as I said, 30 final spot. Not final. We might go to another one. Saw another one on the way here, so possibly might do 4 waterfalls today. Yep.
Yeah, but it's safe, no rock on the ground, only sand.
Please be careful.
So, final waterfall here today. Binalayan was awesome. Saved the best for last for sure.
Oh my gosh, it was beautiful.
We were gonna go to a Ginid, which is just over there, but it's closed. Closed at 4:30, so no
We
bonus
missed
waterfall
it.
for you. You'll just have to come by yourself. So that cost us 130 pesos. Tipped each of our guides 100 pesos. So this whole day cost us less than 500 pesos. 3 waterfalls, 3 hours, 4 hours-ish, including the drive, which was awesome through the mountains. Now we have a 45-minute drive back to Oslob, where we gotta get some food. We are starving.
Maybe we should shower first.
Maybe we should shower first. Anyways, let go.
Good evening, guys. We have just had the most beautiful drive down the coast, and we are now back in town in Oslob. As you can see, the sun is setting. It's so gorgeous.
Except the set's on the far side of the island, so we can't really see.
Yeah, the sky's still pink though. It's beautiful. So we're gonna get some street food and yeah, not quite sure.
Food! I'm starving, let's go.
If you want to buy the chicken leg, chicken breast, this is pork barbecue, available here. You can choose. This is sweet sausage and this is a plain sausage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can choose here. Sir, Ahmed, isa naman. Kasi natin kalong parisit.
Yeah, side of rice.
Yeah, 2 rice. You want rice now?
No, it's okay.
Only 1 rice.
Alrighty, so we just stopped here. You get to pick your own meat, put it on a plate, and then they cook it for you. It was very cheap, like 75 pesos for mine.
That's mine.
Oh, it's so good. You can share.
Stole mine. So good. So cheap. I had to go back for a second. Say hello. It's rock on.
That food was so good. I'm full. Justin's not, he's getting some more. And it's this little one's birthday. Happy birthday. She what? Yeah. They just gave us cake. He's like, I like it. Ako madini. Salamat po.
Alrighty, so
That was so much fun.
good times.
That family was so cute. That chocolate cake was bloody delicious.
I got a little bit of it.
It was from Goldilocks, and there's actually one in Vancouver. Well, just shut down.
There was one in Vancouver.
It was like a Matilda chocolate cake, you guys.
Yeah.
So good. Right, so dinner cost about $7, but Justin did get 2 meals.
Yeah, so we're definitely eating more street food in order to save money. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so a full day full of activities, plus the scooter, laundry. I think it was a good day.
Yes. Hello, guys.
Evening.
So we are back home and showered. Today was an awesome day, and we didn't spend that much money. I think maybe like $10. Probably be the last till you see us until we head to Dumaguete in 2 days. So if you guys are new here, thank you so much for following us and for watching. And again, if you are new, please subscribe. And if you aren't new and have been watching from the beginning, thank you. We love you guys. So yeah, we will see you guys on our way to Dumaguete.
Like, comment, subscribe.
If you do comment, we always comment back. We don't bite.
Yeah. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Bye.